In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an Eventbrite event. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a live event listing that people can find and register for. First, log into Eventbrite. Open your browser, head to eventbrite.com, and sign in to your account. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser so you can clearly see all the options you'll need before going live. Next, create your event or open an existing draft. Click Create Event and choose Event. You'll be prompted to enter the essentials: your event name, the date and time, the location, whether it's in person or online, and a clear description. Take a moment here to double-check your time zone, venue address, or, if it's virtual, how attendees will join. Your description should highlight who the event is for, what they'll learn or experience, and any requirements they should know in advance. Eventbrite also lets you enhance the page with images and a schedule, so choose visuals that are crisp and on-brand to help your listing stand out. Now, add tickets. Go to the tickets section and choose whether they're free, paid, or donation-based. Set the price for paid tickets, the quantity available, and the sales start and end dates. Make sure your total ticket quantity aligns with your venue capacity or your virtual platform limits. Clear ticket names and concise descriptions help attendees pick the right option. If you're offering tiers, think about when each should go on sale to guide demand. Before you publish, configure your event settings. Set up the order form to collect only the attendee information you truly need. This keeps checkout fast and reduces drop-off. Define your refund policy in plain language so expectations are clear. Choose whether your event is public or private, depending on how widely you want it discovered. Finally, review your payment details to ensure payouts are set up correctly for any paid tickets. Preview your event to see it the way attendees will. Click Preview and carefully review the layout, ticket options, and every detail in your description. Check for typos, broken links, or mismatched times and make any fixes now. It's also helpful to glance at how it looks on mobile, since many attendees browse on their phones. When everything looks right, publish your event. Click Publish in the top right and choose whether to publish immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Confirm the details, and your event goes live and becomes visible to attendees. That's it. Your Eventbrite event is published and ready to attract registrations.